Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be talking about top 5 best games for iPhone. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. In number 5, we have Among Us. You can get this app easily from App Store. So open your App Store, search for the app Among Us. After app appears, you can easily install it. Among Us is a popular online multiplayer game. The main objective of the game is the crewmates to identify and eliminate the imposters among them, while the imposters try to sabotage the ship and kill the crewmates without getting caught. The game is played in a series of rounds where players discuss and vote on who they think is the imposter. Likewise, in number 4, we have Subway Surfer. This app is free of cost. You can get this app easily from App Store. Subway Surfers is a popular endless runner mobile game. The game was first released in 2012 and has since gained a massive following worldwide. In Subway Surfers, players take on the role of a young graffiti artist named Jake who is caught in the act of tagging a subway train. The player's goal is to help Jake escape from Grumpy Inspector and his dog by running along the subway tracks while avoiding various obstacles and collecting coins and power-ups. In number 3, we have Genshin Impact. You can easily get this app in the App Store and enjoy the game. Genshin Impact is an action role-playing game developed and published by MiHoYo. The game is set in the fantasy world of Teyvat, where players take on the role of the traveler or character on a quest to search for their lost sibling and unravel the mysteries of Teyvat. The gameplay of Genshin Impact combines exploration, combat, and character progression. Now in number 2, we have Call of Duty. You can get this app easily in the App Store and install and play it. Call of Duty is a popular first-person shooter video game franchise developed by various studios. The Call of Duty franchise encompasses numerous games set in different time periods, with each installment offering its own storyline, characters, and multiplayer modes. Finally, now in the number 1, we have Clash of Clans. Clash of Clans is a popular mobile strategy game that combines elements of a real-time strategy, tower defense, and multiplayer online battles. Players build and upgrade their own village, train an army of various troops, and attack other players' villages to loot resources and earn trophies. The primary resources in the game are gold, auxiliary, and dark auxiliary, which are used to construct and upgrade buildings, train troops, and research upgrades. Gems, a premium currency, can be earned through gameplay or purchased with real money to speed up progress. So these are the top 5 games for iPhone. You guys definitely should try this game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys wanna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.